Good day, everyone. My name is Hayata Saiki di Maducdoc, and the topic that is assigned to me is the division of line segments. And the question is find the point B that partitions the line segment AB given the ratio. Point A is 3 and 5, and point B, which is 4 and 3, with the ratio of 3 is to 1. Here is the illustration of the given problem. Point A, which is the x sub 1 is 3 and the y sub 1 is 5, and point B, which is the x sub 2 is 4 and the y sub 2 is 3, and the point B that we will be finding. First up, we will find the ratio, which is AP over AB, and then we will substitute it and it will become 3 over 4. For the ratios that we will be using to solve the given problem is x is equals to x sub 1 plus ratio multiplied to x sub 2 minus x sub 1, and for the y-intercept it is y sub 1 plus the ratio multiplied to y sub 2 minus y sub 1. For the x-intercept, we will substitute it to the formula. Then it will become 3 plus 3 over 4 multiplied to 4 minus 3. Then 3 plus 3 over 4 multiplied to 1, and the final answer will be 15 over 4. For the y-intercept, we will also substitute it to the formula. So it will become 5 plus 3 over 4 multiplied to 3 minus 5, then 5 plus 3 over 4 minus 2, and our final answer will become 7 over 2. The final answer and the intercept of point P is 15 over 4 and 7 over 2. Next up is my partner Julian Angelo L. Ilao, and he will be demonstrating the question number 2.
Good day everyone, I am Julian Angelo Ilao and I will be helping you to solve the question for number 2. For question number 2, the given problem is to find the angle between two lines representing the path of two cars. One moving along the line y equals 2x plus 3 and the other along the line y equals negative 3x plus 5. Before we begin to solve the angle, let us first illustrate the problem. And with that, let this illustration be our guide. For the line on the right side, let this be the path of car 1, which has the equation of y equals 2x plus 3. And we all know that the numerical coefficient of the x variable is our slope. So our slope 1 would be positive 2. And for the other line, let it be the path of car 2, which has the equation of y equals negative 3x plus 5. And that slope would be negative 3. And let us call this angle as angle A. And for us to solve angle A, we would use this equation, which would be tan A equals slope 2 minus slope 1 all over 1 plus the product of slope 1 and slope 2. And with that, let us plug in the value. Tan A equals negative 3 minus 2 all over 1 minus the product of 3 times 2. And that would be negative 5 all over negative 5. And if we simplify this, it would be tan A equals positive 1. And let us transpose the tangent to solve for angle A. That would be angle A equals tan arc times 1. And with that, the answer would be 45 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 45 degrees. And with that, our final answer is the angle between the two paths of the two car is 45 degrees. Thank you for listening.